How to set up Gorgias customer support for Shopify. So if you're running a Shopify store, jumping between different browser tabs to reply to emails, Instagram DMs, and live chat has a total time sink. So in this video, we're setting up Gorgias, one of the best customer service help desks for e-commerce. It brings all your support channels into a single inbox and lets you refund, cancel, or edit orders directly inside customer tickets. So first, of course, let's connect your store to Gorgias. So in order to do that, go to your Shopify admin, then you go to settings, then you go to apps, and then open the App Store. So you can see in one of my tabs I already have it opened. So you just search for Gorgias like this. All right, you'll find the same thing as you can see, and then just press install. In here, go through these, give it permissions and stuff, install. Okay, and as you can see, now we need to connect our Gorgias account to Shopify. So if you already have a Gorgias help desk, you can simply enter your custom subdomain on the screen and click Find My Accounts. Otherwise, click Create Your Account here, which I will do, to start a free trial. Right, and once you grant Gorgias secure read and write access to your store, it will automatically sync your customer profiles, order history, and tracking details straight into your workspace using Shopify's API. So you can just pass through these, doesn't matter. Email, next. Okay, Shopify, it's coming. All right, get started. And now that your store is connected, let's activate the tools that make the platform so powerful. So in here in the dashboard, head over to settings and select channels. Right here, just go to this section and click chat here, and then tap on new chat. Right, and this will allow you to customize your brand colors, chat title, and welcome messages. To add the widget to your storefront, just switch the toggle next to your Shopify store's name from off to on. So you just input the title, test, chat, for example, right? Connect to store, already chosen, continue. Okay, choose these customizations, colors and stuff, continue. Okay. And it's a quick install for Shopify, install. All right, so make sure that the Gorgias are activated and also this embed is as well. Then guys, if you want to build your automated reply, you need to go to settings, then select macros. So it used to be called macros. Now you go to settings, drop this down, go to workflows, and these are your macros. And then just when you're here, hit create. There they are, macros. Create a macro. Right, and instead of copy pasting customer details, you can click the bracket icon to insert Shopify variables. Right here, as you can see, variables. You can autofill variables like the customer's first name, their shipping address, or their live tracking link, saving your team hours of manual typing. That's it. This is how you work with it. Hopefully this is helpful. If this was, enjoy.